Hi guys! So today we are back with day 2 haul, and today we actually shop at Pratunam Morning Market as well as Talad Road 5 Train Night Market. We are going to show you our looks for today. Okay, we bought a lot of stuff, so I'm going to start with the first shop that we went to.
Yeah, so the first shop that we went to, we got 3 shirts. The first one, this is actually the same design. It's just that it's different color. I got white and red. And then she got pink.
So she asked me to buy some colourful ones to wear with her.
And then for wholesale prices, they always range in 3s. So you must buy in 3s in order to get the wholesale price. If not, it will be original price, which is like quite expensive. Like an extra $100.
Yeah, it's like crazy. So of course we bought 3. So this is all at 80 baht. Yeah, yesterday we actually been to a few night markets and they sell like 150 baht. Yeah, and so it was like quite like it's a good deal. It's 80 baht. She was like, oh my god, that the moment she heard 80 baht, her eyes lit up like never before. She was like then after she just like, okay, this and then like because she couldn't find the third piece, right, she asked me to come in. So yeah, because I don't think she did 3 t-shirts of Pocky. It's like damn weird, but they have a lot of colors. They have like lavender, blue, black, and like this
mustard.
The mustard one is Then next I got a halter knit top. These are all going for 1 for 70 baht, which is really quite affordable. It's pretty good, but here is like on a slightly thicker side, and you have to take note that this is pretty cropped. So I got this in this kind of purple-ish color. And then I got it in olive as well as like black. So these are just some basics to actually go with like my jeans and stuff. I went to another store. This is 3 for 330. So one is for 100. This is a white top. Okay, the thing is, it's a very pretty top, but they give me this. I mean, it's my fault, I didn't check, but yeah, I'm just hoping that I can perfectly sew this back and hope that, it's not obvious. But I was really sad when I saw this. Like, what happened? Like, why did my shirt become like that? But yeah, I guess.
So remember to check your clothes when you're
there. Okay, this is actually a crop top as well, and you're supposed to tie this here. And it'll be a very, very cute top. I got this top. It looks pretty normal, right, on the front. Oh, it's just a bit see-through, but yeah. That you can actually tie it at the back, so it's a low back top, and I think it's really nice. So I got it. Next, this is at one of the back alleys. At the more air-conditioned place. And then we actually saw this. So what caught our eye first was this romper.
The other one.
Yeah, this one.
I bought in the same color.
I got it in wine red, and she got it in grey. So okay. There are a few comments. She'll go first.
Okay, so for people that are tall, like above 163.
Okay, we'll give you our size reference. Like our height. I'm around 155. Around the range there. And
I'm around 163.
Yes. So
like for the romper that I tried, the first one that I show is a bit tight. Like because it's quite short.
I guess for people who are much taller, this is quite a problem because it's either somewhere will look like not as proportioned as the rest, and it might be too short and that's not really comfortable. But for people like around my height, I think you guys will find this okay because it covers just enough. Especially if you're short, right? You will face like times that you buy rompers that are too long and it just looks super weird on you. So this doesn't. I really like the cutting. I think it looks just nice. So this is a thumbs up for me. Not so much for her though.
But the second problem is with the zip at the back.
Okay, so these zips, I mean, they are not of the best quality. You have to season them up. Maybe use Vaseline or something. Okay, so I think this is 150 baht, right?
But the good thing about this is that it has pockets.
Yes. Oh my god, this has pockets and it's not fake,
Yeah, it's real.
So it's really good. I think it's like one plus point. I was like, oh my god, it has pockets, so yeah, we got it.
Though the next one that we are going to show you doesn't have.
Yeah.
So
This is the grey.
There's like this bell sleeve thing.
And then mine is like the black one. Just exactly the same, but black. We bought like a lot of same designs.
Because it's wholesale price.
Yeah.
But for this, they allow us to mix and match, but you need to buy 2 each.
Yeah, I mean, like, I can't guarantee the same for you because we actually asked her for it. Yeah. And this was 160. Yeah, so total each of us spent 310 on this. So for this dress,
I just feel like it's a bit tight at the...
oh.
That's all.
Yeah, but overall it's okay. I mean, if you're worried, okay, our primary concern when we bought this, right, is that how is it gonna stay inside? Like, will you drop suddenly? But okay, like, we try this on. At least for us, it stays. Yeah. So yeah, just have to wear like a sticky bra inside and like, yep, it will be all good. It's okay, like, but then this is, in my opinion, a bit too big. Do you feel it also? To me, it's a bit too big, so there will be like a bit of opening, but yeah, not much of a problem. It's not obvious. Yeah, at least there is space to move, so I guess that's a good thing. Yeah. So next, I actually went to this shop inside city center. I believe that's what it's called. It's like a little shopping mall. Yeah. It's just an extended version of the morning market. So this is actually one of the top which you would see on day one's haul, and I got it in nude, and then now I found it for only 100 per baht. 100 per baht. Oh no! I found it for 100 baht for one. So I got this in one red, and then I got this as well. It's also a bodysuit. All these are bodysuits, by the way. So it looks like that. And then this goes over your neck. And then this is a total neck sleeveless top. And yeah, this is really nice.
Okay, so the reason why I never get so much item is because like I buy unique pieces, but then she buys like basics, as y'all can see. So it doesn't make sense for me to buy like 3 unique pieces of different color, and then the wholesale price isn't actually as much for the afternoon market. They change. They do have wholesale price, but then the prices still changes, and it's like more expensive.
Yeah. So one thing to know actually for Pratunam Morning Market, I'm honestly not sure if early morning till about maybe 10, whether these price are different from what is after 10. To be honest, we don't know. And if you guys really know, right, just leave like us a comment. So
okay, so for Ikea, that side is quite relaxing.
Like, yeah, by the way, it's Mega Mall Bangna. Yeah.
And it's very pretty, like, and the mall is just beside, like directly beside. Then it opens and it says that it opens until 10, right?
Yeah.
But then it closes around 9 plus 9:15, and then the people will start to like look at you and like, are you going to leave? Like, please?
Yeah.
Pretty please?
We actually got like the hot dog. Okay, like food wise, personally I think that the hot dog sandwich is better than Singapore. I mean, not significantly, but I prefer that. But to her, it's like it kind of almost is the same. So yeah. And then like the drink selection is about the same. Then but they have French fries. I don't think we have that back home. At least I don't remember.
We have, but French fries is not the same.
Oh, yeah. Is it nicer here?
I think it's nicer.
Oh. Okay, so they actually have French fries with either mayo or sour cream or fish. I haven't figured it out yet. Maybe if you guys go, you can tell us. But yeah, so we actually got that, and it was like 65 baht. So it's about almost $3 around there. I mean, yeah, it's okay. I guess it's a bit more expensive compared to Singapore. I think if you get it isn't that, but it doesn't matter. It's just an experience that we want to share. And then but then the Ikea cafe is like super pretty. Yeah, it's super pretty. It's like everywhere is like Instagrammable in a sense. Yeah, so yeah, you can drop by. And then we actually got the cotton candy ice cream as well. That was going for like 29 baht, so around $1 plus. And that was like, it's called cotton candy, right? But it actually tastes like
bubble gum.
Yeah, the blue side tastes like bubble gum, and like
the yellow side was banana.
Yeah, I guess like vanilla banana flavored. So I mean, to me, I personally don't really like SG's Ikea's ice cream cone, our soft serve, but that's just my own preference, that's all. But she likes it, so she prefers that. For me, I mean, when I tried, I was like, oh, not bad. It's because it's something that I don't really get to try that often anyway, so it's something new. So it's quite interesting to try. If I were to be honest, I wouldn't crave for it and stuff. So it's just alright. But if you're there, definitely a lot of people buy it to take photos, Instagrams. So that's all. Hey, can just this one is alright. Yeah, but it's really quite a nice place. And we haven't actually walked the actual Ikea because we wanted to, but they closed so early, so we were like, okay. But we actually took a walk around the Mega Mall.
Then I went to
Eve and Boy. Yeah. And then it's like Thailand Sephora kinda. Like the concept is around the same.
So I bought this face mask because my skin is really very dry out here. So we want to try it out to see whether it works.
It's from Love Skin.
Yeah, and I heard that this brand is quite popular in Thailand, so
and it was like 39 baht, is it?
Yeah,
it was 39 baht. Quite pretty affordable, I would say. Yeah, if it works, that would be amazing.
So I bought this off-shoulder top. It's like that. It's only 100 baht. It's going on sales. It's like at an alley, a very small alley where only one shop was open. I don't know why, but
maybe a few shops out of the many. And that's actually a really nice piece. The material is really good. For 100 baht, I would say I don't know why I didn't buy. Now I can't regret. So our feedback on the night market.
I think on weekends it will open later.
Because when we googled, it says it will close around 1+. But around 10+,
they started closing.
When we are there, actually most shops weren't open. I would say come on weekends. Maybe I feel like
it might be packed.
But the area is very big. Maybe if you are looking for more shops to shop at, then maybe weekends is a consideration. By the way, they only open from Thursdays to Sundays according to Google. So
which is today, the first day.
It's quite a nice place. There's vintage cars.
There's vintage planes. But it's also quite chilling because there's a lot of park there.
And then there's rock bands and stuff. When you first walk in, you'll be filled with the atmosphere. It's quite shiok lah. Especially that at that point of time there wasn't much people, so it was quite brisk walk. We just go there and enjoy ourselves. So this is our conclusion for day 2 haul. Hope you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.